So this is page 455, central limit theorem. So let's just say here's a population, and this is like annual salaries. So a lot of people are middle class, and then there's a few people that make a whole bunch of money, really rich people. But anyway, so imagine this person number 57. That's the question that we're talking about. It's if you were to take random people from this population and make another dot plot, well, or bar graph, the bar graph would also be skewed, just like this one is, because you're taking from this population, right? Individual, take a whole bunch of individuals from this population. But if you take samples, so if your sample size is, say, 30 or more, and you take the average of that sample and make another bar graph, then that bar graph is going to be normal. So remember, central limit theorem has to do with taking a sample size of 30 and taking the average of that sample many, many, many times. Okay, that's the answer to that one.